G'day viewers. It has been made known to me that at least one person attributes Lazar's 7.46 Hz gravity B wave frequency claim to the Schumann effect frequency of 7.83 Hz. You can investigate this effect for yourself because I'm not going to give it any more oxygen than I need to. The comparison between Lazar and Schumann is absurd in the extreme. Let me list the reasons why. Number one, we have mathematically derived Lazar's 7.46 Hz gravity B wave frequency claim to astonishing precision utilising Fourier harmonics. You can find it in our Bob Lazar playlist. Number two, the Schumann effect is not gravitational, it is atmospheric, so no direct comparison to Lazar's claim exists. Number three, no known manner exists to lift many metric tons of an engineering material into the air utilising the Schumann effect. To assert that Lazar's gravity B wave frequency claim is related to the Schumann effect of 7.83 Hz requires the asserter to provide the mathematical construct proving that it is a valid engineering solution. Of course, nobody can provide this because it doesn't exist. Number four, the Schumann effect is bound by the ionosphere, which NASA states starts at 48 kilometres above the surface of the Earth and extends to 965 kilometres above the surface of the Earth. So then, how do space aliens travel to Earth through space if they require an atmosphere to do it? Don't forget, the Schumann effect requires an atmosphere. Number five, the Schumann effect fundamental frequency of 7.83 Hz is known to two significant figures. This means that Lazar's 7.46 Hz gravity B wave frequency claim is completely out of bounds with respect to the Schumann value, and any relationship between them can be dismissed upon this basis alone. Number six, the Schumann effect value of 7.83 Hz deviates 4.7% away from the Lazar value of 7.46 Hz. This is also important because an engineering professor told me 30 years ago that if your answer is more than 1% away from the true value, then you have nothing, so chuck the answer you've derived away. Okay, I've explained 6 reasons why the Schumann effect is in no way connected to Lazar's 7.46 Hz gravity B wave frequency claim. Quite frankly, the suggestion that Bob Lazar's gravity B wave claim is somehow related to the Schumann effect is less than childish. It comes from the land of unicorns and fairies. The fact that Schumann's 7.83 Hz frequency value has been suggested as any form of explanation for Lazar's 7.46 Hz frequency claim reeks of mental impairment. My sincerest apologies for ranting like this, but the fact of the matter is that imbeciles really do walk amongst us, spreading disinformation left, right and centre, and never being held to account. The lesson here being that unless you really know what you're talking about, just say nothing. Don't embarrass yourself, because by doing so you embarrass the person required to correct you. Okay, that's enough about imbeciles. We'll chat again later. Cheers.